Trigonometry, Part 14.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept, here identities. So let A comma B and C are real numbers. So these three numbers satisfying A plus B plus C is equals to 0. Okay. So sum of the ABC is 0, comma A plus B plus C is equals to pi, comma A plus B plus C is equals to pi by 2. Next, A plus B plus C is equals to 3 pi by 2, and so on, etc. Okay. Now we have to prove these identities with trigonometric ratios. See here, first one. If A plus B plus C is equals to 0, then you need to find sin of A plus B, sin of B plus C, and sin of A plus C. So see here, A plus B is equals to how much? A plus B is equal to minus C. Now apply sin on both sides. See here, sin of A plus B is equal to what? Sin of minus C. So you know that sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So you will get minus sin C. Okay. So similarly, sin of B plus C. So what you get? Minus sin A. And sin of A plus C, you will get minus sin B. Okay. So next you have to apply cos on both sides. See here, what you get? Cos of A plus B is equals to what? Cos of minus C. So you know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. So therefore cos of A plus B is equal to cos C. So similarly, cos of B plus C is what? Cos A. And cos of A plus C is what? Cos B. Okay. So this is the first one. And see the second one. A plus B plus C is equals to pi by 2. So from this, how to write A plus B? Pi by 2 minus C. That is 90 minus C. And apply sin on both sides. What you get? See here, sin of A plus B, this is equal to sin of 90 minus C. See here, 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, sin is positive. For 90 minus theta, the trigonometric ratio sin changes to cos. So clearly, sin of A plus B is equal to what? Cos C. So similarly, sin of B plus C, so what you get? Cos A. And sin of A plus C, so what you get? Cos B. So for example, if you apply cos on both sides, what you get? See here, cos of A plus B is equals to what? Cos of pi by 2 minus C. So here also 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant. Cos is positive and cos changes to sin. So because of here 90 minus is there. So cos of A plus B is equals to what? Sin C. So similarly, cos of B plus C, so what you get? Sin A. And cos of A plus C, what you get? Sin B. Okay. So this is the second one. So next see the third one. If A plus B plus C is equals to 180. See here, how to write A plus B? 180 minus C. So send C right side. Then it becomes 180 minus C. Now apply sin and cos on both sides. See here, first one, sin of A plus B. So this is equal to sine of 180 minus c. And next one, cos of a plus b. So this is equal to cos of pi minus c. Now 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive, cos is negative. And for 180 minus theta, the trigonometric ratios does not change. So here this can be written as sin c only. So this one minus cos c. So similarly, sine of b plus c is what? Sin a. And sine of a plus c is what? Sin b. Here similarly, cos of b plus c. So what you get? Minus cos a. And cos of a plus c is what? Minus cos b. Okay. So remaining also similar to this. Okay. So now we will discuss few 7 marks problems. So see the first question. In a triangle ABC, prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 12 is what? 4 cos pi minus a by 4, cos pi minus b by 4 and cos pi minus c by 4. See here, this problem we can prove from either LHS or RHS. Okay. See here, solution. Consider the RHS. So what is that? 4 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. Okay. Now see here, given in a triangle ABC means sum of the angles is 180 degrees. See here, a plus b plus c is equals to what? 180 degrees. Now how to write a plus b? See here, a plus b is equal to pi minus c and a plus c is equals to what? Pi minus b and b plus c is equals to what? Pi minus c. Okay. Now we have to replace pi minus a is what? B plus c, pi minus b is a plus c and pi minus c is a plus b. So right here, so this 4 write as 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 cos, what is pi minus a? B plus c. So b plus c by 4 and cos pi minus b, a plus c. So a plus c by 4 into cos pi minus c. So what is that? A plus b by 4. So since here a plus b plus c is 180. Okay. Now you know that 2 cos a cos b formula. See here, 2 cos a cos b is what? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So we have to apply this formula here. Here a is b plus c by 4 and b is a plus c by 4. So this can be written as 2 into 2 cos a cos b cos of a plus b. So we have to add these two angles. So what you get? So clearly your denominators are equal. Now we have to add the numerators. So that is a plus b plus 2c by 4 plus cos of a minus b. So we have to subtract these two angles. So clearly c get cancelled, you will get b minus a. So b minus a by 4 into cos of a plus b by 4. Now multiplying this term inside. So what you get? 2 cos a plus b plus 2c by 4 into this one. Cos a plus b by 4. Again plus 2 cos b minus a by 4 into cos a plus b by 4. So b minus a by 4 into cos a plus b by 4. Now again it is in the form of 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. So you have to write cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So this is cos of, you have to add these two angles. So denominators are equal, you have to add the numerators. A plus a 2a, b plus b 2b plus 2c. So clearly that is 2 times of a plus b plus c by 4. Next to plus cos of a minus b. So we have to subtract these two angles. So a get cancelled, b get cancelled. You will get 2c. So 2c by 4. Here also apply same formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So this is cos of, add these two angles. So a get cancelled, you will get b plus b, 2b by 4 plus, and subtract these two angles, b minus a minus a minus b. So b get cancelled, minus a is minus 2a. So minus 2a by 4. So 2 1 are 2 2. Okay. So here also 2 1 are 2 2. Next 2 1 are 2 2. Now this is cos of, so what is a plus b plus c? 5. So cos 90 plus cos c by 2 plus cos b by 2. So cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos a by 2. So clearly cos 90 value is what? 0. So therefore this is what? Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. So this is the LHS. Okay. So see the second one. In triangle ABC, prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 minus cos c by 2 value is 4 cos pi plus a by 4, cos pi plus b by 4 and cos pi minus c by 4. So here you can prove this problem either from LHS or RHS. See the solution. So consider the RHS value. So what is that? 4 cos pi plus a by 4 cos pi plus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. Now given that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So a plus b plus c is equals to what? 180. Now how to write a plus b? 180 minus c. Okay. So substitute here. So this 4 write as 2 into 2. So this is 2 into 2 cos. What is pi? A plus b plus c. See here a plus a. 2a plus b plus c by 4 and cos. Again pi is what? A plus b plus c and plus b. That is a plus b plus b. 2b plus c by 4 into cos pi minus c. What is that? A plus b. So a plus b by 4. Now we have to apply 2 cos a cos b formula. So see here you know that 2 cos a cos b is what? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So we have to apply this formula here. Now this is 2 cos a cos b. So what is that? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So this is 2 times of cos of, you have to add these two angles. So clearly denominators are equal, you have to add the numerators. So here 2a plus a, that is 3a plus b plus 2b, 3b plus 2c by 4 plus cos of, subtract these two angles, 2a minus a and b minus 2b minus b and c minus c, it cancel. So divide by 4 into cos of a plus b by 4. Now we have to multiply cos a plus b by 4 inside. So what you get? 2 cos 3a plus 3b plus 2c by 4. Next cos a plus b by 4. Next 2 cos a minus b by 4 cos a plus b by 4. Now again apply the same formula. 2 cos a cos b. Here also 2 cos a cos b. So what is that? Cos of a plus b. So we have to add these two angles. So 3a plus a, that is 4a. 3b plus b, that is 4b plus 2c divided by 4. And subtract these two angles. 3a minus a, 2a. 3b minus b, 2b plus 2c. That is 2 times of a plus b plus c by 4. So here also apply the same formula. So what is that? Add these two angles. So bb get cancelled. You will get 2a by 4. And subtract these two angles. So a get cancelled. You will get minus 2b. So cos of minus 2b by 4. So 2 1 is 2 2 is. Here also 2 1 is 2 2 is 2 1 is 2 2 is. Okay. Now how to write this one? 4a plus 4b. How to write 4a plus 4b? Now see here. A plus b plus c is equals to what? Pi. Now multiplying 4 on both sides. See here. 4a plus 4b is equal to 4 pi minus 4c. So substitute here. Cos of 4a plus 4b is what? 4 pi minus 4c. So minus 4c. Next plus 2c. Alright. Minus 4c plus 2c. Divide by 4. Now this is cos pi by 2 plus cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2. Now this can be written as cos of, this is 4 pi by 4 is pi minus 4c plus 2c is minus 2c by 4, that is minus c by 2. So cos 90 value 0 plus cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2. So write in the order. This is cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2. See here, cos of 180 minus theta. It lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos get negative side. That is cos e by 2. So this is LHS. Okay. So try to solve these two questions. See here, next one. If ABC are angles of a triangle, then prove that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2 is 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. See here, consider the LHS. So what is LHS? Sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Okay. So you know that sin square a minus sin square b formed, that is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So you have to apply this formula for second two terms. Now see here, this is sin square a by 2 plus it in the form of sin square a minus sin square b. So here a is b by 2 and b is c by 2. So apply this formula. Sin of a plus b, add these two. So b plus c by 2 and subtract these two. That is b minus c by 2. Okay. Now how to write sin square a by 2? So this is 1 minus cos square a by 2 plus. So next how to write sin b plus c by 2? See here, given a plus b plus c is equals to 180. Okay. Now a plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equals to pi by 2. Now from this a plus b by 2 is equals to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Okay, and apply sign on both sides. See here, sine of a plus b by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus c by 2. So you know that 90 minus theta, first quadrant, sine is positive and sine changes to cos. So this is cos c by 2. So therefore sine a plus b by 2 write as cos c by 2. So similarly sine b plus c by 2 write as cos a by 2. Okay, so write here cos a by 2 into sine b minus c by 2. So in both terms cos a by 2 is common. So 1 minus of cos a by 2 is common. You will get cos a by 2. Here minus, because of minus is common. Sine b minus c by 2. Now this is 1 minus cos a by 2. Okay. Now to write cos a by 2, sine b plus c by 2. So sine b plus c by 2 write as b by 2 plus c by 2 minus sine b by 2 minus c by 2. Okay. See here again, you know that sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b formula. 2 cos a sin b. So you have to apply this formula here. Now this is 1 minus cos a by 2. So it in the form of sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b. So clearly 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. So clearly what is this? 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Next sin c by 2. So this is RHS. So for next session we will discuss more problems.